My name is Michael Marinelli, and I'm a Director of Product Management at Equinix, focused on our IBX SmartView product line. IBX SmartView is a DCIM, or Data Center Infrastructure Management SaaS application providing necessary, up-to-date environmental and power draw information. It also provides current and historical electrical and mechanical plant operating data. One of the key objectives of our 2020 IBX SmartView feature development roadmap has been to integrate Equinix data center system and asset scheduled maintenance activities into IBX SmartView. Another key objective of our 2020 plan is to expand the reach and accessibility of IBX SmartView data and enable deeper integration with our customers' systems by enabling data transmission using a robust catalog of RESTful and near real-time streaming APIs. Regularly and correctly conducting preventative and scheduled maintenance is essential to data center operations management. By contextualizing scheduled maintenance activities on the assets and systems supporting our customers as critical assets, and then consolidating it all into IBX SmartView maintenance, our customers are able to do things like audit maintenance practices remotely over time through IBX SmartView, filter out noise due to asset operating status during scheduled maintenance, or generally synthesize IBX SmartView data better with more context around what is happening on the ground at the data center. In this IBX SmartView 2020.3 release, we continue to expand and build on maintenance integration with an important new feature. We've added a scheduled maintenance page, which rounds out the maintenance event lifecycle within IBX SmartView, which is to say that now a user can track an asset in maintenance from when it is first scheduled, to reviewing the maintenance script and the exact steps that will be taken to perform the maintenance. The asset then goes into maintenance activity in near real time once the maintenance actually begins on site. And when the maintenance is complete, the event moves into the maintenance history. On the new scheduled maintenance page, users will see a familiar data grid with filter, sort, and column customization capabilities. In the data grid are all the upcoming scheduled maintenance events in all the data centers where the customer has co-location space. A maintenance is typically scheduled a month or so in advance. For each scheduled maintenance event listed here, users can see the maintenance window start and end times, an Equinix maintenance notification number, and a summary of the maintenance event. All of this maintenance information, including scheduled maintenance notifications, is accessible using the IBX SmartView API catalog. Learn more about how our customers are integrating near real-time IBX SmartView data within their enterprise applications at our developer portal at developer.equinix.com. Thanks for watching.